Question number 1.
Which of the following uses a future perfect tense? A. She will be working all night. B. She will have completed the project by Monday. C. She would complete the project soon.
Question number 2.
If he dash earlier, he wouldn't have missed the train. A. Left. B. Had left. C. Was leaving.
Question number 3.
Which is a correct example of subject-verb agreement? A. Neither the teacher nor the students was late. B. Neither the teacher nor the students were late. C. Neither the teacher nor the students is late.
Question number 4.
Choose the correct sentence. A. He suggested to go there. B. He suggested going there. C. He suggested go there.
Question number 5.
Choose the correct prepositional phrase usage. A. He is good in mathematics. B. He is good at mathematics. C. He is good at mathematics.
Question number 6.
Identify the correct idiom usage. A. She spilled the beans about the surprise. B. She dropped the beans about the surprise. C. She opened the beans about the surprise.
Question number 7.
What part of speech is running in this sentence? Running is fun. A. Verb. B. Noun. C. Adjective.
Question number 8.
Choose the grammatically correct sentence. A. Each of the boys have arrived. B. Each of the boys has arrived. C. Each of the boy have arrived.
Question number 9.
Which sentence uses the correct article? A. He is a honest man. B. He is an honest man. C. He is the honest man.
Question number 10.
Identify the incorrect use of conditional. A. If you heat ice, it melts. B. If I had studied, I would have passed. C. If I will go there, I will call you.
Question number 11.
Which sentence uses a participle phrase correctly? A. Tired of the noise, the door was shut. B. Tired of the noise, she shut the door. C. She tired of the noise, shut the door.
Question number 12.
He talks as if he dash everything. A. Knows. B. Knew. C. Had knew.
Question number 13.
Identify the correct comparative usage. A. This book is more better. B. This book is better. C. This book is gooder.
Question number 14.
I wish I dash rich. A. Were. B. Was. C. Am.
Question number 15.
Which sentence uses passive voice? A. The committee approved the budget. B. The budget was approved by the committee. C. The budget the committee approved.
Question number 16.
Choose the correct tag question. A. She's coming, is she? B. She's coming, isn't she? C. She's coming, doesn't she?
Question number 17.
Not until the storm ended dash outside. A. We went. B. Did we go? C. Had we go?
Question number 18.
Select the sentence with parallel structure. A. She enjoys dancing, to sing, and read. B. She enjoys dancing, singing, and reading. C. She enjoys to dance, singing, and read.
Question number 19.
The phrase barking up the wrong tree means A. Looking for a dog. B. Making a loud noise. C. Accusing the wrong person.
Question number 20.
Identify the noun phrase. A. Extremely fast. B. The tall boy with curly hair. C. Jumped over the fence.
Question number 21.
Choose the correct reported speech form. A. She said, I go to school. B. She said that she went to school. C. She said that she goes to school.
Question number 22.
Which sentence shows correct inversion? A. Seldom I go out. B. Seldom do I go out. C. Seldom went I out.
Question number 23.
If only he listened to me. A. Has. B. Had. C. Would.
Question number 24.
Identify the correct collocation. A. Make a mistake. B. Do a mistake. C. Commit a mistake.
Question number 25.
What type of sentence is, go to your room? A. Declarative. B. Interrogative. C. Imperative.
Question number 26.
Which one is an example of a gerund? A. Swimming is fun. B. I will swimming later. C. She's swimming in the pool.
Question number 27.
Which word is a conjunction? A. Quick. B. Because. C. Often.
Question number 28.
What is the correct passive form of they built a house? A. A house built by them. B. A house was built by them. C. A house had been built.
Question number 29.
Which sentence is correct? A. Neither of the boys are coming. B. Neither of the boys is coming. C. Neither of the boy are coming.
Question number 30.
Select the correct question word order. A. What he is doing. B. What is he doing? C. What doing is he?
Question number 31.
Choose the grammatically correct sentence. A. He had went home. B. He has gone home. C. He have gone home.
Question number 32.
Identify the preposition in the sentence, she sat under the tree. A. Sat. B. Under. C. Tree.
Question number 33.
Identify the correct phrasal verb usage. A. He came across an old photo. B. He came up in an old photo. C. He across came an old photo.
Question number 34.
Choose the correct form. A. The data is correct. B. The data are correct. C. The datas are correct.
Question number 35.
The phrase cut corners means A. Skip steps to save effort. B. Use scissors. C. Turn quickly.
Question number 36.
It is essential that he dash present. A. Is. B. B. C. Was.
Question number 37.
Which is grammatically correct? A. He didn't hardly speak. B. He hardly spoke. C. He not hardly spoke.
Question number 38.
Identify the modal verb. A. Run. B. Should. C. Fast.
Question number 39.
The plural of crisis is A. Crisises. B. Crises. C. Crisis.
Question number 40.
Choose the correct sentence. A. Who did you invite? B. Whom did you invite? C. Whose did you invite?
Question number 41.
Identify the correct reflexive pronoun usage. A. She made herself a dress. B. She made herself to the party. C. She herself made to go.
Question number 42.
Identify the infinitive phrase. A. To run quickly. B. Running quickly. C. Ran quickly.
Question number 43.
The opposite of scarce is A. Rare. B. Abundant. C. Precious.
Question number 44.
Choose the correct use of used to. A. I used to play piano. B. I used to playing piano. C. I used play piano.
Question number 45.
Identify the correct spelling. A. achieve, B, achieve, C, achieve.
Question number 46.
Choose the correct sentence. A, she is elder than him. B, she is older than him. C, she is more old than him.
Question number 47.
Choose the correct conjunction pair. A, either he or his friends is coming. B, either he or his friends are coming. C, either he or his friends am coming.
Question number 48.
What is the noun in creativity is key to innovation? A, key. B, innovation. C, creativity.
Question number 49.
Which is a correct interjection? A, wow, that's amazing. B, that's wow amazing. C, amazing wow.
Question number 50.
Choose the grammatically correct phrase. A, between you and I. B, between you and me. C, between me and I.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.